Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. If you're able to, please subscribe and click like. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to unbox and open up a 5 and 10 ton tow jack. A very heavy duty jack that's useful in lifting heavy machinery and other things. This came from UPS. This weighs more than 70 pounds. It's heavy. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Alright, we'll open it up. Box came in good shape, considering it's a heavy thing. Oh, well, take a look at this. Here's the original box. Yikes. Totally destroyed. Huh. Well, we'll see how that vise looks, but this box, the box in the box, terrible. Oh man. I mean, look at this. Just wrecked. Wow. Well, we'll see. Here's the jack. We'll get it out. See what it looks like. See how it works. Well, we can see there's already a problem because the pump handle's not here. So we'll have to work on that. Well, as disappointed as I am in the shipping, I've got a fairly small hydraulic jack, and interesting, the handle here will actually fit right here in the screw that opens it or closes the valve. So we'll have it closed and we'll pump it up a little bit. There it goes. We probably need to pump it up and let it go down a few times. This is the bleed. This is the point where the hydraulic air or the oil, this is the hydraulic oil sight, and if there's going to be any, the paint's terrible, you can see that stuck to the rubber. But if you need to bleed out any air, you'd basically loosen this piece, but you don't have to loosen it very much. So yeah, look, it goes up nicely. And again, this is a 5 and 10 ton, so 10 ton here, but 5 ton here. And then as we loosen this valve, it should return back down to its normal position. And there it goes. So good. So functionally, this looks okay, even though it's been beat up pretty bad. But you know, a tool like this can stand to be beat up. It's got all the paint off of here, the edges, this, over here, all the points that you would expect contact. And you know, this kind of a jack can tolerate that, but it doesn't have a handle. So I just sent the eBay person that I bought it from and said, hey, check it out. I sent a picture. Hopefully we'll get a new handle and continue the video. But the jack itself, even though it's, you know, all the paint's kind of scraped and everything, it looks really good, and I think it's going to be very valuable. So we'll be back when we get that handle. So this jack has been working well, but it didn't come with a handle. I got a refund from the seller, and I just took this siphon tube from the Harbor Freight sandblast cabinet that I would no longer use and ground it. I ground transversely for the ears of the lever, and then I bored out the center of that with a Dremel tool with a diamond wheel and cut that. And now you can take a look. It fits in here nicely to close this. The jack works well, elevating it. This is a 5 and a 10 ton, so it's quite substantial. Then it fits right nicely into those ears to lower it. There it goes. So that worked out quite well. And now we're good to go with our jack, because we took a siphon hose and modified it slightly to serve as an appropriate jack handle. Thank you very much for watching. Please click subscribe, like. It's helpful for the channel, and always stay safe. Thank you.